All of the good stuff they don't know, so the meat and the cheese. Place is really foggy. You can see this is retaining wall that they put on the highway, so you don't have no slippage and nothing. But yeah. Alright, so I'm about to make my way back in the car right now.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
Yeah, guys, so we're heading to Ocherios. We're gonna take the highway. We're gonna take the Spanish Town leg. Well, I think it's the Angels leg. Not I think. We are going to take the Angels. We're gonna get on at the Angels. At Angels. That's where we're gonna get on to the highway. And we're gonna go all the way to Mammee Bay, which that's the last exit for the highway in Mammee Bay, and then we have to turn back to head into Ocherios. So that's where we're going, and we're gonna be listening to Ron Mushet going down there. Yeah, Ron Mushet is a guy who likes to play a lot of music too, you know. So yeah, it's a radio we're gonna be listening to. All right. So yeah, we're gonna be listening to Ron heading down. It's a beautiful day today, guys. Very beautiful day here in Jamaica. Trust me. The weather is nice. Nice sunny weather, blue skies. The place is cool and it's really nice, guys. So yeah. Currently in Spanish Town right now. About to go on Brunswick Avenue. So we're about to go on. We are currently exiting Cumberland Road. So this road, Cumberland Road, and now we're heading onto the Brunswick. Alright, so yeah, Spanish Town. And it's morning. What time is it now? Let me see. It's almost 7 a.m. in the morning. Alright, so we're heading down. So you will see traffic coming towards me because these are like rush. This is like rush hour. So most of these cars coming towards me, they're heading into Kingston side. So they're coming from whether Linstead, wherever else. Right here in Spanish Town too as well. Alright. And they're heading into Kingston. Because in the early morning, most of the traffic flows, like the oncoming vehicles that you see, that's how the traffic flows in the early morning, because people work in Kingston and stuff. And then in the evening, it's the reverse. So the traffic will be going this direction that I'm going right now. So yeah. See that thing called a bike? Trust me, if I was the Prime Minister, there wouldn't be no bikes in Jamaica. None. Sorry for all who does like them delivery work or bearer service or whatever. But I'm sorry. Go buy a car. Drive it. No bike. Or if you have a bike, you only ride on the highway or something. And I don't know how you're going to get on the highway if you're not riding from wherever you are. So yeah. Or you ride at a certain speed on these off-roads or whatever, you know, but no excessive noise or none of that. So a lot of people heading out to work right now. Yeah. heading out to work and school. It's actually a Thursday morning too, guys. Yeah, so it's a Thursday morning, you know, that day before Friday. Yeah, so it's a nice vibe, a nice feeling, you know. Everyone is in that, it's almost weekend type of mood, you know. So yeah. So persons living outside of Jamaica, just want to quickly share something with you guys, because I know you guys are seeing like the crime rate right now in Jamaica and all of that stuff, right? And I know how it is when you're outside of Jamaica and you hear all the news just coming out. You go on your social media, the first thing you see, boom, that amount of people killed in Jamaica. You know what it is. You know what it is, because you know, when you're not in Jamaica and you're seeing all that stuff, I know it can sound and look alarming. And trust me, it is. To be honest, it is. But let me just explain, because somebody once said, this was like a person who, like, they're not Jamaican or anything. They were just planning on visiting Jamaica. And they said, when they heard the news, to how they're hearing the news and all that stuff, they thought as they got off the plane in Jamaica, they just would be shot at. Somebody would shoot at them. That's what they thought. You know, they actually came and they had a good time and all of that stuff, you know. But they said when they were listening to the news and all that, they said they thought they would have gotten shot. Yeah. And it's kind of alarming, to tell you the truth, guys. It's kind of alarming. But what's really going on in Jamaica right now, let me tell you. Alright, so, and it's not everything and not all of it is like this, alright? But you have a large portion of the crimes you see, the killings and stuff, you have a large portion of it where it's gang related. Alright? So the guys that are being killed, they are part of a gang. And how it is alright, so you have an enemy, right? And it's like that one catch that one first. You understand? So that's what it is. And this is why, like, I think the security forces, right? The persons in charge of security, involved in security, they're not really making a big effort to stop it, because, to be honest, probably how they look at it is like their job is probably easier, because instead of going after two sets of gang now, they probably wait until one set kill out one and then they can go at the other one, right? So that's all. So they're probably looking at it and saying, oh yeah, it make my work easier and all that stuff, right? But I mean, it shouldn't be like that. Tell you the truth, it shouldn't be like that. But I think that's the main reason why every day you wake, you just hear this news, and it seems as if the security forces or the people involved in security is not doing anything. Mark you still, guys. I am not on their side. These people that are in charge, I am not on their side. Because over the years, from I have known myself, persons who are in charge of running Jamaica never seem to care about the real issues of Jamaica. So I just want to put that in. I am not with these guys any at all, but I'm trying to look at it from their perspective, and that's how it seems to me. You understand? It seems as if these people they don't care. So they look at it as, okay, less resources, less everything. Wait until that set kill out that set, then we just go for one set. Yeah? But then now it's affecting everybody, because the news coming out of Jamaica is alarming. You can send a bad signal, internationally. You understand? So that's one of the major things. that's really happening and stuff. Why you see the news is like that, right? Because honestly, like, you hardly hear about like robberies. How you can know? Let me tell you. And like from in the past, growing up and stuff, my experience. How you know when a crime is like, you know, like when you really need to be scared, is when you hear people go rob people and then they shoot them and all that stuff. That used to happen one time in Jamaica, you know. People used to go rob people and they just kill them afterwards, you know. So that's when I think you should be really scared. But living in Jamaica, I can tell you that it's not people just getting up and killing random people. Yes, that happens. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. No, I don't want anybody to come for me and say, oh, you're talking rubbish or whatever. Alright? It happens, you know, guys. Trust me, it does. But the majority of it is these gangs fighting, or what we say in Jamaica, warring against each other. Right? So that's it, majority. Very rare I hear somebody like people go rob place and shoot it up and all that. But yeah, and yeah, there's still robbery. There's robbery going on in Jamaica, you know. There's robbery going on in Jamaica, right? But very rare I hear about that. Trust me. Guys, you know, I'm thinking that I should probably get 2 patty. Talk to me, what you say? Yeah, I think there's a tasties up here, you know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a cheese patty and a cocoa bread, yeah? Let me do that. So the entrance to the toll is right up there, to the highway is right up there, but I'm gonna go get this patty. Hold up. Yeah. Thinking I should. Let me see. I think they have a drive-through as well, you know. Yeah, man, let me go through here. Alright, so the drive-through is closed. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, alright, drive-through is closed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside there and just grab the 2 patty and the cocoa bread, and yeah, I'll show it to you guys. Alright, so give me a few. Soon come back. I am back. Hold on, let me buckle up my seat belt. Alright, so they never had any cocoa bread in there. Trust me, I don't know what's wrong with these people sometime, you know. But they never have any cocoa bread, so I bought 2 cheese patty. Yeah, you don't know, 2 tasty cheese patty, yeah? So I'm gonna show it to you guys in a minute. Just hold on, let me just hop on the highway first, and then I'll pull over somewhere close by. Let me just hop on first, hold up. But yeah, 2 hot patty. Right now, for people who live overseas, we would long for 2 cheese patty, and are just 2 regular patty. Me know say we long for that, yeah? Yep, I know it. Yeah, man, this is the life in Jamaica, yeah? This is the life in Jamaica. Oh, they currently have a state of emergency right now for St. Catherine, so you will see, you know, if I do any videos right now in St. Catherine, like, you will see those couple of barricades and the tent and all that stuff. But yeah, which bring me back to the point that I was talking about now, you know, about the crime, right? So most of the time it's just gangs fighting and stuff. Very rare in Jamaica you hear people just go and try to rob people's house and all that. I mean, you do have those simple little crimes still going on. Don't get me wrong, you have them in a people. But the majority that you hear when you hear about these big killings and these big this, big that, gang related, guys. Gang related. Gang related. If you hear of 10, 9 out of the 10 or 8 out of the 10 is gang related. The others are just very random, very rare. You get me? So yeah. So I'm just trying to get through this part here. Once I get through this section here, I'm gonna pull over, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my patty. Get a patty. You hear the patty bag? Yeah, get a patty and orange juice. Yeah. But you know, honestly still guys, I don't even eat patty that much, to tell you the truth. Yeah. I'm just doing this now to make you guys jealous. I'm joking, but yeah man. I guess when you live where the thing is accessible, because we're here and you know, whenever you feel for your patty, you can just get it. So maybe that's why there's not really a urge to go get it or whatever. Yeah? So yeah. Right now, two patty is expensive in Jamaica. Yeah, it's no longer, oh, you can just go grab a patty. You know, probably when, like, you used to go school or when, you're working and, you know, on your days when you look at broke days, like today, which is a Thursday, right? Today that is a Thursday when you know the day before payday, which is Friday, as you know most time in Jamaica. You know, so you can say, alright, make you grab a patty, a little cheap lunch. You know? Grab a little cheap patty for lunch and something. No, you better have your money. No more little broke nothing in the boat. You have to have your money. You know, no broke days for go say, alright, you rock pan 2 patty. None of that, people. None of that. Them days are over. Because if you guys can drop some of the patty prices, the price that you used to pay for patty in the comments, and let me know. I'm gonna show you the receipt in a few too. Let you see how much I pay for it. I mean, it is not exorbitant, but compared to what we used to pay for patty, yeah. Alright, hold on. Let me get this card here. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so I just collected this card. When I'm exiting, I would give them the card and they're gonna check to see. The card will tell them where I got on, and then where I'm exiting now, they would calculate the rates and stuff, yeah? So yeah. Hopping on the highway now, guys. So I'm gonna go the full length, as I said, to Mammee Bay. Alright? Alright, and yeah, me not forget the patty thing, me not forget the patty. Just give me a second, me soon pull over. Don't forget, soon pull over. Yeah? So there you can see the sign, Linstead, Ocherios, Montego Bay. Yeah. Planning on heading to Montego Bay to, you know, to do, I'm gonna go to Dunn Beach in Mammee. Yeah, or what they call Dead End Beach. Well, Dunn Dead End, the same thing, because it's basically the same stretch. They have a park now where Dunn Beach used to be. There's a park there called Harmony Beach Park. Yeah, recently built and everything. It's nice for persons who know Emancipation Park. It's something like that, but you know you have the beach right there. So yeah, that's what it is, right? Yup, that's what it is. So you have that. Planning on going down that side. I hope the breeze is not too much, but yeah, planning on going down that side. And when you're at Dead End right there, you can actually, it's right next to the airport, so it's a nice place to just sit, chill, and you can watch a few planes come in. Like that's where all the planes coming into Montego Bay Airport pass over, right on that section there. So you can watch all the planes coming in and stuff. Plus, I don't remember the name of this little bar, restaurant / lounge place that is there. I can't remember to the fullest, but you have a little place down there. You can hold a nice little vibe, drink a 1 beer or drink some rum or 1 Guinness, anything that you prefer. You can do that, and they have food and stuff, and it's right up by the roadside, as I said. You understand? A nice little vibe, guys. And you have people as well, you know, selling stuff out there, and you can grab and, you know. So if you never necessarily want to go in at the little lounge thing and pay the tourist price, you can buy from the people. But bear in mind, Mommee Bay there, Montego Bay, and the price turn up down the side the same way. You understand? Yeah. A tourist, the people them cater for down them side, right? So yeah. And I'm say my shoe showing in the party, you understand? Just want to go around the liquor benny and all of that. Yeah? Just want take on the liquor party. I'm see a nice liquor party, I can stop. But just pull over, because we're kind of even up on an incline right now. So we'll just go over the little section. And just because I want to hurry and eat my patty them before them cold too. Yeah. Yeah, as I say, we don't listen to Ron Mushet, so we'll see what I go on. Hopefully not play the music and him just a reason right now.
Yeah, but this place down in St. the road's very bad.
And as you know, we are go country, so you know from time to time the radio are going to chip inch and fry and all that stuff. You don't know what's going on already. Yeah, but yeah man, run.
But all you walk through Guava Walk Rasta, where's the guava? Because I mean, you would have to depend on the St. James Municipal Corporation to get guava if you didn't have guava down Guava Walk.
Yeah, you should have just maintained the guavas that were present on the land prior to you being there, but they probably didn't.
They never preserved the guava.
So I guess we have some fog up ahead. But it don't look like it that thick still. I drive through worse fog than this, so I literally can't see nothing at all, people. So yeah, this don't look that bad.
Guava should still be there.
I'm gonna go to Orange Park and not even one orange tree minutes there.
Yeah.
Ginger is
maybe ginger still have ginger because it's on the ground, so it's not really tampered by human or you know.
Oh, you're going deep with the lizard. I said no ginger, no there ginger hill. Just come from there 2 weeks ago. Ginger hill.
Oh, so there's no ginger hill. It's a family of gingers, so that's pretty good.
Anyway.
Alright, no music guys. You're return now.
And hill and it's bare stoned up there, so
yo, that's a difference.
it sticks to its name.
Alkaline is going to be at the National Stadium soon. Maybe they would, you know, there's going to be a bigger crowd here this weekend. Who knows? And then after that, it's new rules. But all the best. The National Stadium these days, it's a place to be. It's 7:21 a.m.
Alright guys, turn down that because yeah, can't take the copyright, and I hope the rhythm itself what did I play in the background no put up no copywriting, because if that happen, me I forgot just drop my background music on this, you understand? Yeah, me I forgot do that, but hopefully the rhythm itself now, but Alkaline and big artists, more than likely whoever produced this, I want big producer to, so they're gonna have their copyright thingy looking for all of this stuff, you know, and it's a song with him and Shaggy, so can only imagine. But yeah guys, we're currently going through some fog right now. Yeah, I wonder how Mammee is, because Mammee is the place that you see all the fog, you know, the fog, sorry. Yeah, but we're not even catching instead yet, you know, just come on at Angels heading through, you know. Yeah. But as I was saying guys, Jamaica nice. Don't make the crime rate fool you, because there's worse things happening in other places, and I'm not using that to justify that, yeah, whatever, because you know we shouldn't really have crime and people should definitely be living good and all that stuff, you know, but the reality is these things do exist. So yeah, but you just have to be safe for persons who are not from Jamaica. You just have to be safe, or these things are like a little thing for like speeding, you know, because we're going downhill, so they have them. So just in case you are not aware that you are going too fast, you have these things to yeah. A guy was making a video, you know, so I just nice it up for him. Blow the horn and everything, yeah. Yeah, because I know how it is, you know, especially if he's a content creator. These stuff, you like to see stuff like this, you know, so yeah. But yeah, look at the fog, people. Look at the fog. And this is actually fog. So this is not no so-called Saharan dust that they're talking about, whatever. This is the real fog that you're used to whenever traveling this route. Yeah? This is it. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, you just have to be safe anywhere you are, you know? Anywhere you're going, you just have to be safe. You just have to be vigilant, be alert. Look out to your eye them and all that stuff, yeah? That's just what you have to do. That's just it. Alright, so I think I'm going to show you guys the party at this section here. Yeah, this looks like a nice place to pull over. Alright, show I'm a 4-way flasher. Alright, so I'm going to show you the party right now. Alright guys, so yeah. See my party bag here. You understand, and see me 2 party them down in my bag there. Hold on. Yeah. So there we have it. Yeah. Real Jamaican tasties patty. Yeah. See it? See that flakiness? That crunchy flaky thingy? Yeah, you see my hand with flaky already? The real deal. Yeah, let me take a bite. Hold on. Yeah, man, hold on. Guys, you see how much crunch is on, how much flake is on the sweet side? It's hot. You know, the patty already when it's hot and you have to be like, yeah. That's what's happening right now. Yeah, it's really good. Bought the orange juice. Fresh orange juice. That truck, man. But yeah, I bought this orange juice, fresh orange juice. So this is the receipt, guys. Hold on. Oh, this is the receipt for the orange juice. So the orange juice is $160. Yeah. And the patty. Wow. 2 cheese patty for 6 bills. So one is for 3 bills. 300 Jamaican dollars, yeah? So yeah. So let me know how much you used to pay for patty back in your days. Yeah? I remember one time when I was going to school, mothers had a thing. Them time mothers patty could have gone. You know, no disrespect to mothers, big up on yourself. But them time the patty did, mothers patty did nice. And we'd buy 2 for $22. Trust me, 22 Jamaican dollar, 2 patty. You understand? Yeah. That's how me buy from mothers. They had that one point when I was in school and stuff, you know. And then it does take time, raise, you know. But yeah, it is what it is still. Alright, so I'm about to go head on back on the road, you know. So yeah, man, big up on yourself. One more time, I'm showing them a patty, you know. See it flaky. Well, I'm taking the next bite. Hold on. You see it flaky? Flake up the seat and everything. Yeah. It's a real deal, guys. Real deal. Real deal. All of the good stuff they don't know, so the meat and the cheese. And it's hot. Alright, so I'm gonna pull my orange juice and I'll get back on the road. So give me a second. Guys, you know, I thought that I should probably just show you guys this fog. So yeah, see, this is it. Usually when you're passing through this section here, you normally put on your 4-way, like your hazard light. Because sometimes it's, trust me, you can't see nothing. So yeah, it's a lot of fog, guys. Yeah. So I'm about to make my way. The weather in St. Ann is supposed to be very, very good. I think it's like partly cloudy today, so it's nice. The temperature should be nice as well too. So yeah, just showing you guys what it is like. So place is really foggy. You can see this is retaining wall that they put on the highway, so you don't have no slippage or nothing. But yeah. Alright, so I'm about to make my way back in the car right now.
So guys, this is the toll card. This is what you get when I pull up to the toll a while ago. I punched a button and this card came out. When I get there, they're gonna swipe it at the other end, and they'll know how much to charge me based on the information on the card. Because the card will show them where I get on, and then they'll charge me based on where I'm getting off. So yeah, this is how it looks. All right, this is only for this toll. So different for this highway, right? The highway that takes you to Mandeville side, Clarendon side, it's not this process. And the one, Portmore one, it's not this process, all right? It's different. So just for this one. And here on the back, you see it's showing you information and telling you what to do and all of that. So, yeah. Or telling you if you lost the card or if you damage it. You'll have to pay 2,000 Jamaican dollars. So alright guys, time to get back on the road, alright? Let's go.
They never have any cocoa bread at the patty shop. So couldn't get any cocoa bread. Sorry if I'm a little bit quiet now, guys. I'm actually eating, so you know when you're young, them tell us don't eat and talk, you bite your tongue. I don't want to bite my tongue right now. So guys, when you come to Jamaica, if you buy in patty, when you go to Tasties, they actually sell the frozen one. I'm not sure if all the Tasties sell it, but last time when I was buying it, I went to the head office, the one in Crossroads, in Kingston, and when I was buying the box for somebody to go overseas. So that's what I'm talking about. If you're buying patty to bring back home, they offered to sell me the frozen one. Yeah? I never tried before. Tell you the truth. I never tried before. But I'm thinking it's the same thing when you heat it up in your microwave, whatever. It's the same thing because I'm pretty sure some of you guys buy frozen patty and all those stuff, and the hot pockets and all of them things, frozen pizza and all them stuff. I know you guys buy them, so I'm thinking that it's the same process. It's just frozen. You heat it up and it tastes just the same. But I never tried, so I'm not sure. Speaking about that, how you guys heat up your patty? Like I'm telling people, like, if you heat up the patty in the microwave, it's not going to taste the same. So, what I used to do, I used to heat up my patty in the Dutch pot. You remember Dutch pot, right? I put the patty in the Dutch pot and I heat it up. That's what I used to do. That was when I was young, you know, when I was younger. And you have a patty, you put it in the fridge or whatever. Or a piece of patty left and you put it in the fridge and you want to eat it with a piece of bread. So I used to heat it up in the Dutch pot. Yeah. Yeah, me eat patty with bread. You know, who never do that before? When you go home with your patty and something and you just drop it between two slices of bread I talk about mine. But yeah, we used to do that. But then now, when we start to know, you know, you get older and whatever. Me use a toaster oven. So that's what we use now. So people heat up them patty in a microwave and tell me so the toaster oven take too long. All of that stuff. Listen, it's not the same. It is not the same. You have to heat up the patty slowly for you to get back that taste, yeah? Like it just bake and stuff, yeah. You have to do that. You have to do that. The thing I know with the microwave, where them heat up in the microwave and it tastes back good, is donuts. Yeah. So the donuts here, it have a really short shelf life. Really short, guys. Like I think about 5 days or something like that, or maybe less. I don't remember. But it's short, right? You sorry if my son away again, I still eat patty. Never short shelf life. So then buy it today. You're gone 2-3 days with it. It start get dry out and tough and all of that. Somebody tell me, say, they must drop it in the microwave and it tastes like it just done fry. Yeah, fried donut fry, people. A couple years ago, I actually find that out. I think on YouTube, I see it on. It's a fried donut. But yeah. So, if you have some stale donut, as a donut will expire, and you feel like you still want to eat it, put it in the microwave. And eat probably like not more than 30 seconds. Because you know if you give it too long, you know it's going to dry out, right? So you give it like about 30 seconds. Maybe 20 or 25. And something there. And you eat it and it tastes good, yeah? So, persons who are not familiar with this road, there's always cops, like the police, is always out there trying to catch people that's speeding. Not sure if they're there now, because of this heavy fog or whatever, but I don't know. But you see, after you pass this Linstead exit, that's where you find them. So where the persons that are coming on to the highway, the persons that are gonna come on, because this is the Linstead exit, right? So the sign says, "Welcome to Linstead." Yeah. So down there where the entrance is to the highway, a little bit after you pass it, they're always hanging out there. Always. It's a given. You know Jamaica. You have some spots where you know the police just always hang out. That's always their hangout spot. Once you pass in that place, you will see them. This is one of the places down there. And sometimes they try like they want to trick you, and they just move and go a little bit further from there. You know, so you're driving and you pass, you say, oh, they're not out there today. So you know, press it, you sink your foot in the gas, and you go around a little bit more, boom, that's them. Now, we all know the story with Jamaican police and speeding and all them things, right or left or the whatever. Yeah, we all know the story, right? Yeah. Big up to the good police them out there still. Police are out there do them work. Big up on themselves. You stop people. You check them out. Then if you get a ticket, you give them a ticket. If you give them a blind, you give them a blind. But you not compel them to left a thing. Yeah. I don't know, look like it's too early for squatting them down. I don't see them. Maybe they can't bother stand up in the fog. It's not that cold, guys. It's not even cold. Let me see. I don't even know if I'm getting any signal because I'm kind of in the hills. Hey Siri, what is the temperature right now?
It's 79 degrees right now.
You see that? 79 degrees. So, a good temperature. Good temperature. Really good temperature, guys. So not because you see it's foggy and all that means it's cold or anything. Nah, this is Jamaica. Welcome to the tropics, yeah. Place where you can vacate 365 days a year. And if you had another day, you could vacate as well. All day, every day. It's always a vibe living in the tropics, yeah. Always. So guys, my party done, but you know you have the crumbs and the little meat settled down in at the bottom of the bag. I need to get to it. Yeah, need to get to it, guys. You know the thing already, right? Need to get to it. That is also a nice part of eating patty too. Yeah. Alright guys, I pull over because I need to get to this spot here and you forget to this part of the party. The nicest part like that. Yeah, use your imagination. You hear me tell the bag, right? Use your imagination. So eating a patty is for the taste, yeah? But it's also a good experience. It's a vibe. Trust me, guys. And of course, I know my mouth and my face nasty. Yeah. I eat a patty, guys. A Jamaican patty. And if you're not from Jamaica, you're not used to this, somebody please explain in the comment section to them what's really happening. How may I eat out the patty bag right now. When you come to Jamaica and you get a patty, ask somebody how to show you how to eat out the patty, the crumbs at the bottom of the patty bag. Remember, you can hold it to your head and shake it out. Or sometimes you have to do like this and tear the bag and go in it. Alright. Make sure I brush off my face. I want to pull up somewhere and stop and hold it for patty crumbs. Hold it for patty crumbs. That's not going to look good. Drink some more of my orange juice. Alright. So. Alright, my shit's still frying away right now.
But now, let's go to New Jersey and talk to Tony. Ready, Lizzie? Tony's in Jersey and he's up now courtesy of the Royal Pharmacy, Savannah Lamar.
Hey, Tony.
And the Royal Pharmacy at the Icon Fairview Mall, Montego Bay. Tony! You're a nice girl to call you Tony. Didn't you hear like a nice lady call you Tony?
Tony Montana. Are you Tony Montana?
Yes. I'm good. Hi, Lizzie. How are you?
I'm great, Tony. Oh, you're good at voices. You recognize my voice. That's pretty cool. Thanks, Tony. Morning.
I do.
Yeah, Tony, she was calling you Tony Montana. You know what Tony Montana from, where's that again? Scarface, right?
Yeah, he's a gangster.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Are you a gangster, Tony?
No, I'm not.
Alright.
Leave Tony out of it, man. Tony, New Jersey, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How about you guys?
We're doing great, man. Give thanks, man. So we're calling you courtesy of the Royal Farmers to find out what's going on in Jersey.
All right, now it's cloudy and little drizzle rain.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's about it.
So what do you do? What do you do over there, Tony?
I work in the state post office.
Big job. What do you mean, Tony?
Nice.
What do you mean? And about to leave until the pension start out, you know?
What? I have 3 more years.
Hold on.
Yeah, Tony.
Don't cut the four in it, Tony.
Listen, he
401k and all them
you don't
stuff.
have your Jamaican accent anymore. Where in Jamaica are you from? Lizzie said you don't even have your Jamaican accent anymore. So where in Jamaica are you actually from?
I'm living here for 30 years. I'm from Westmoreland.
Tony.
Broad space.
Yeah, Westmoreland, man. Tony, listen, man. Don't move left attention here, Tony. And big up. So when was the last time you've been back to Jamaica?
December, I was there December.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Rio Reggae.
What, Tony? But that was lockdown time, man. But you still enjoy yourself?
Of course.
Not talk too loud, Tony.
To my family in Troom, back and forth.
Yeah, so you want to big them up?
Great time.
You want to big them up since you're live on the radio, though, Tony? Because they might hear you, though, man.
Yeah. Big up Miss Wall from Fountain in Westmoreland. And my daughter, Renee, and my son, Troy, in Troom.
Yeah.
Room.
Big up, man. So what do they call you? Just what do they call you? Just Tony?
Proofy.
Proofy.
Yeah.
Everybody I hear Proofy now. I say, oh, Proofy, that's why I'm big up his son. We go a Proofy. Tony.
No problem.
Why them call you that though?
Because my father used to drink, and when I play soccer, I get mad when we lose, so they said,
overproof rum.
my blood sugar.
Overproof rum.
That's a funny one, Tony. That's funny.
My father never really loved rum, you know, but he loved a thing named Puss Gin. You know Puss Gin?
Yes, man.
It's what they call the Old Tom Gin, but I guess my father and his friends call it Puss Gin.
Yes, man, yes. One of my dad's friends used to drink it too. He used to bring it to my dad. I was like, I don't want that. I want the white rum.
And you became Proofy.
That is funny.
Hey, listen, I never even tasted Puss Gin in my life, so I'm not Jimmy.
I've only heard that coming from you, Ron. That's a funny name.
It's the Old Tom Gin, but they call it Puss Gin.
Yeah, man. It's the old gin from back in the day.
Yeah.
I just saw them making a special wine, a special whiskey called from crabs.
What?
Yeah, from New Hampshire crabs.
Me no want that.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask
crab
Raciela
whiskey.
about it. Crab whiskey. Can you believe that? Well, Puss Gin, crab whiskey. What?
No, give me Proofy. We stick to the proof. White overproof, Proofy.
And Ron, when you taste that gin, I'll taste it after you.
Yeah, no.
What you say? You rather stick to the kulu or the Junkerbati?
No. Lizzie.
We can't say that. Dump it, Ron. Dump it.
Oh, Lord.
Sorry, Tony.
Tony, let's move on, Tony. Thanks a lot. Here.
Alright, so we officially crossed over into St. Anne right now.
Love it.
So we just left the parish of St. Catherine.
Tony, thanks.
Just left the parish of St. Catherine and officially in St. Anne right now, guys. Alright?
Don't leave yet because it is GPR, Global Positioning Request.
Yeah, so it's like we have to get to the place something.
Never give up by Luciano.
Never give up. Alright, Tony, go turn up your radio, man. Pick up to the Royal Pharmacy.
Like at work now, and you're gonna turn up your radio and crank it in the post office.
I do it every day.
They cost you on
Tony.
All they hear is boom, 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 boom.
Alright, wait, boom, boom, boom again.
I'm going to.
Well, I'm gonna send a big up to them.
Alright, I will.
Alright,
Nice of yourself.
Alright, so he's gonna play music right now because the guy just requests Luciano, so yeah, we're turning that down because can't take no claim right now. But yeah guys, this is Jamaica. Lush green hills, blue skies, nice sunshine, warm weather and everything. Guys said it's raining in New Jersey where he is right now. None of that here. Strictly sunshine. So the hill that we was climbing a few minutes ago, that's like equivalent to Mount Rasa. So if you should take the old road, that would be like us going over Mount Rasa right there, yeah? Yeah, that would be it. There's a lot of part of this hill, a road, they cut it actually, like it cut through the hill, so you know, we still have a little bit of hill to climb and stuff. So even though you're not going like over flat bridge and taking the regular route, it's still steep. So yeah. Wondering, yeah, I'm gonna go through I'm gonna go the full length of the highway. I'm gonna do that. I was thinking about probably exiting Mammee. Unity Valley is the name of the exit, and you can take there and go to Mammee. I was thinking about that, but nah, I'm gonna go the full length. That's what I promised you guys, so that's what I'm doing. So this is the fog that I'm used to right now. See, this fog is real Mammee fog. So that's where we are right now. We're currently in the vicinity of, you know, the Mammee area. If you should take the old road, we'd be close to that side. So for the persons who know this area, you know Mammee known for fog. Yeah. It's not that bad, you know. No, it's not that bad. Trust me. Looks even better than the area that we just passed through. So yeah, this exit now is called Unity Valley. So you can take this exit, carry in the community of Mammee and those places, yeah? Signal from the radio. not gonna lie though, guys, the road development in Jamaica, it's going on really good. We've been should have had these roads from a long time, and these roads shouldn't even be no toll. Like you shouldn't even have to pay to traverse, to commute on these streets, these roads. But I mean, we're still grateful because, trust me, I'm a person that travels this route regularly, right? Because my mom is from St. Anne, right? So you know we back and forth this route regularly, and trust me, that whole road, Flatbridge side, going up Mount Rasta and all that, sometimes a trailer break down up there on the hill. You can't go around, you can't do nothing. You're trapped, you're stuck up there for hours. Trust me, used to be painstaking traveling that route, honestly. So this road development is really a good thing. It's a wonderful thing. And I see St. Thomas right now is on the rise. Yeah, St. Thomas is on the rise right now, guys, I'm telling you. I have a few St. Thomas videos, and I recorded one, I think a couple of days ago. Yeah, but it's not edited yet or nothing. It's still there. I'm gonna edit it real soon. Not sure if this will be available before the St. Thomas or after, but either way, they're probably gonna be like the most maybe 2 weeks apart. So if you're watching this video 2 weeks after it's been published and you want to see the full length of the St. Thomas Road from let me see where I'm going to start it from now. Probably Harborview, Bull Bay, go straight into Mammee, go straight to Mammee roundabout. Yeah, and if I can remember clearly, there was some traffic and all of that. It's a good video to watch. Trust me, you get to see a whole heap of things happening. The road work going on, all of that. I think Water Commission was laying pipes, so they're digging trenches, so you're passing by the roadside and guys are down in the trench right beside the car wheel doing work. It's kind of risky, but I mean the traffic is most time when you're passing through those sections, it's kind of like bumper to bumper. You're not really going fast, but it's still risky though, you know? Still risky, but yeah. And then now you have Grove exit that's coming up, get you to Claremont. Just want to shout out to the people from Claremont right now. As I say, part of my family is from St. Anne, Claremont to be exact, yeah. But up in our little district called York Castle. So if you're watching this video, you come from there, big up yourself. Yeah. But you know, all Jamaicans, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing, but you get me. Yeah, it's a nice vibe. That's where the singer say, what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, yeah? Only problem is the politician them. That's the problem, oh. But yeah, man. The St. Thomas Road, trust me, when that done, it's gonna be a whole vibe. Right now, everything in St. Thomas is gonna go up because the what you call it now? The lands and everything. I see the other day I was reading something and they said that KFC now. KFC they actually secured. So this is the exit for Golden Grove. Yeah. People from St. Anne, they know this section here very well. And a popular person that is a MP right now controls that section. I'm talking about Lisa Hanna. Y'all know Lisa Hanna from the whole Miss World thing. Yeah. I think it was 98 Miss World.
She won as a Jamaican and she was about 18 years old. She is now a politician, as a lot of you Jamaicans know, and that's her constituency. Grove and that place going further up. I don't even know because I don't really follow them that much, but yeah. Big up to Lisa Anna though. Yeah, you know, former Miss World. Still looking beautiful. Yeah. But yeah guys, back to the St. Thomas thing now. So St. Thomas don't have a KFC, they don't have a whole heap of stuff. And you know, people even make fun of people from St. Thomas and trouble them and be like, oh, you want to get KFC, you have to drive all the way to Kingston, and people usually make fun of them about a whole heap of stuff. So I was reading the other day now and see they say KFC had secured like lots, properties, so it's not just one, it seems like it's, you know, a few to they secure them so that they would so they can what you call it now, build up the restaurant and stuff, yeah. So yeah. So we heading to pay our toll. The light on the display might flicker a little bit because of the LED with the camera and stuff with the lens. So it might be flickering, but nothing is really wrong. It's not, nothing is wrong with it. Just trying to get this money. Good morning. How work I go on? Yeah, go on. Yeah, go through. Yeah. Mining up. Oh. So it kind of mess with the sleep pattern. Jano. Alright, take care here. Yeah, my YouTube. Bye. Alright, so we buckle up back my seatbelt here now so we can stop hear this annoying sound. But yeah, the display that you see, it lists out the thing and it tell you exactly what's up and all that stuff, you know. So yeah. So I paid 1400 Jamaican, right, to travel from Angels to Mammee Bay. So yeah, 1400 Jamaican, guys. So yeah man, the St. Thomas thing now, you know, because of the road and stuff, even before the KFC announcement, there was this other construction place. I think I don't know if it's confirmed or whatever, but they're gonna build like apartments out there, and trust me. So St. Thomas right now, the future is looking good for St. Thomas. Next 10 to 15 years, St. Thomas is gonna be looking good. Trust me, it's gonna be looking good. And it's good how you can capture all of this now. You can see what it was from before, because like growing up, or even nowadays, you see some picture from back in the 70s and the 80s, and you see how the place used to be. Even some popular places. Hold on, I hope the wind is not. But yeah, even some popular places that you travel right now, when you see pictures of how it was before, you know, you're like, whoa. So it's good now how technology is, by the way. Technology is really good right now, so you can capture high resolution videos, you know, great quality videos. So when you're looking back at it, you can see exactly, you know, it's well detailed and stuff, yeah. So it's good how we can actually see the before and the after. So future generations now to come, like my generations, grandkids, great grand generations after that, looking back on these videos, they can actually see it. And if you're watching this video in the future, probably even 100, 200 years from now, yeah, watching this video
them time this is what Jamaica was like 100, 200 years ago. So big up yourself, future person that's watching this also, yeah? Yeah man, big up on yourself. I hope the crime better them time there. And Jamaica nice same way, yeah? But yeah man, St. Thomas looking really good. Trust me guys, St. Thomas looking the future for St. Thomas looking really good. So yeah, it's like every road right now out in St. Thomas being repaired right now, or being built, new roads or whatever. Every area you turn, and it's real dusty out there though, I must tell you guys. Like it's dusty. But you know they have like the quarries and stuff. A lot of mining take place out there in St. Thomas too, you know, so yeah. It's a lot of dust out there. A shout out to that worker by the toll a while ago. You know, she says she's tired because she was coming off a late shift last night and then she had to wake up back at 4 o'clock. I mean, a lot of times people, you know, we do it back to back. Sometimes the job requires us to do that too. So sometimes how they set the schedule, or sometimes if you know they don't have enough workers and stuff, yeah, we have to work these shifts. It's a good thing to work, guys. It's a good thing to work and get money. Trust me, it's a nice thing because it's sweet when that paycheck hit the account and stuff. But let me tell you, the same energy you're putting into working, spend some time for yourself, put in the energy there. My thing is, I work hard but I play even harder. So when it's time to enjoy myself, I go like 2-3 times harder than when I put in work. Especially now when you know you're working for people. Some of you people kill out in yourself on people job and all of these things, and yet still you don't want to take any vacation or whatever. Quick information. So that is called an escape lane. So if you're coming down and you can't find any break, you go down there. You go up that thing. It's filled with sand and it's a very steep hill. So you know. Well, look at Jamaica. Look at Jamaica. Yes, guys. That's the Caribbean Sea out there. Nice place. Very good to live in the tropics. So yeah, I was saying, hold on, another beautiful part of the island again. But yeah, I was saying guys, like, take some time out and, you know, spend some time for yourself, enjoy yourself, not just a work, so like Rihanna. Yeah, spend some time and enjoy, full joy thing. If you live in Jamaica, go some place. People when I live here, people when I live here know your country better than you. But with that, man, go some place, go some river, go some beaches, go some little place, go explore some place, go rum tour. All of them things, they go rafting. All of them things, you understand? Yeah, go do it. You have people who live at some place thousands of miles away from here. People from Europe, all of them things come to Jamaica and know much in place more than some people. Like, no, start from within your country, tour the place and enjoy yourself and so on. Then, you know, when your things set away, you know, when you get your money up, you can actually go outside of your country. Yeah, tour some other Caribbean islands. Just start nearby. Understand? Tour some other Caribbean islands and all them things, because I'm pretty sure them other Caribbean islands are just as beautiful.
Well, Jamaica probably have a little bit more edge, but yeah. But yeah, man. Tour the place, guys. Alright, so this now says 60 miles per hour. Now, a lot of time, there are a lot of accidents coming off to the exit of the highway, because we are like pretty much like almost at the exit. See, this says 50 miles. But sometimes you have people speeding, and they're not looking at the sign, you know? And they're speeding, and a lot of times, not so much right now still, but especially when this highway was just done built, oh my gosh. And then remember here, you're supposed to give way, you know. I don't know why they have a roundabout at the end of the highway, but it's supposed to give way. You understand? And people just blasting sometimes, and then boom. They're like, who put this roundabout here? Yeah. So yeah, we're now in Mammee Bay, guys. And we're heading to Ocherios. Yep. And Ron Mushet is not picking up here. Oh, there we go. What is this song? Alright, that's a song. We have to wait a little bit till him stop playing that song. And then we can find something else. Hear him and tune in on something else. Give him input on something else, yeah? Alright, Mushet, big up yourself too. General that. From Irie FM days. Yeah, man. Ron Mushet is like the Usain Bolt of radio. You hear that? Yup. Big up yourself, Ron. I always want to see Ron Mushet in person, you know. To actually tell him, say, I'm the Usain Bolt of radio. But we don't buck him up yet. We never buck him up, I tell him. I want to don't teach my style, I'm going to tell him before me. But yeah, man, big up yourself, Ron. That's Pearly Beach over here on the left. So if you notice, I came around the roundabout to head to Ochi. So if I was going to like Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, Falmouth, Trelawney, Montego Bay, I'd be going the opposite direction. Alright, so guess what? This sign says, welcome. Oh, it says you're now entering Ocherios. Yeah. And it's what? It's 8:15 right now, guys. 8:15 a.m. And as you hear that sound, of course it's a river. It's a river. So yeah, we're on Jamaica's north coast. One time Ocherios was like a hot spot, you know, man. One of the hottest tourist destinations in the world. I mean, it still is. But you have Montego Bay right now that is well developed. On the right hand side there, that's the entrance to Dunn's River. Let me take you up there real quick just to show you. So this is where you would go to Dunn's River. Dunn's River Falls. Yeah, this is it. This hill is steep. But yeah. Says bus park.
Morning. I'm not entering. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, so this is the park, the bus park for Dunn's River. Actually, I have a Dunn's River video coming up too, guys. It's loaded and everything on the YouTube and all the good stuff and all that. It's already there, but I don't publish it as yet. I'm just waiting a little bit to publish it. But yeah. Yup. So this is the thingy for Dunn's River, guys. This is where you would go to enter. And my Dunn's River video, I give you like a full detailed tour of the property, and I think I climbed the falls twice. So yeah. It is locked. Alright, so let me exit. Thought I had to exit through where I came, but she's gonna open it. Morning, thanks. So yeah, guys. So this is where you would go to Dunn's River. Alright? It's over there. And I think they open from what, 8:30? Yep. That's what I think. This taxi needs to pass. Alright. Guess he's bringing some workers. Yeah. Yeah, so this is more than likely the taxi from in Ocherios. Probably it's a St. Anne's Bay taxi, or maybe it's coming from St. Anne's Bay and drops him here. Looks to be a worker. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go down now and head back into the town of Ocherios right now. But yeah, people, if you haven't visited Dunn's River in a while, you need to do so. If you never visited, you need to come check it out, yeah? The video for that is gonna be up real soon, so you can come back and check out that video if you want to see how Dunn's River looks right now. I think I did it like a couple weeks ago. I did it, edit it and everything. It's on YouTube, but it's private right now. Gonna be published, gonna be public in a few. Alright, I have a few tours that I did outside of the car. Yeah. They're really good, really nice. And I think you also have Dolphin Cove that is close. Yeah, there it is. On your left hand side right now, that's Dolphins Cove, where you get to swim with the dolphins. You guys can check it out as well. I've never been over there though, never been, but I said I want to do it one of these days. Be good content to, you know, do it and put it up on my vlog channel. Yeah.
I'll probably put a part of it. I'll probably do a recording to create some thingy and put it up. Put up something on this channel too. But thinking I'd do a vlog. And you also have Mystic Mountain. Yeah, that red light was really close. So yeah. But up there, where I just went, the red light that I just passed a while ago, Mystic Mountain up there. Look at this sign over there that you can see on the right hand side. Yeah, that's the famous Mystic Mountain. You can do zip lining and all that stuff. But I see a zip line in I think it's at YS Falls. I think it's where is it? St. Elizabeth? I don't remember. Oh my god, I don't want to say that and it's not there for sure. But YS Falls, they have zip lining. That's the one I want to do. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna go real soon. Also gonna do a little property tour there too. So yeah. Why do these taxi men drive so close behind vehicles? Jeez. See how close he was a while ago? See what Ron Mushet is saying right now. Still sounds like music. Alright, so I went to a place over here. Yeah, fishing village on my left right here. I went to a little place over there. I think it's called Reggae Kitchen. I'm not sure. I think it's called Reggae Kitchen. Guys, trust me, I had some steamed fish. Jeez, it was delicious. Steam it down in coconut milk and all of that. But yeah, guys, we're now approaching the town of Ocherios. But yeah, I had the steamed fish over there, and they steam it down in what did I just say? Steamed fish or steamed chicken? But I had steamed fish. Steamed fish is what I'm talking about. I had the steamed fish and oh my god, guys. It was so delicious. So Reggae Kitchen, big up on yourself. Yeah man, I went there with some fam and all of that. It was good. Trust me, it was good. Good morning. Thanks. And if I don't, it's 200 an hour. And if I don't, if I don't go.
You have 5 minutes without a stamp.
5 minutes.
Without a stamp.
Right, and if I spend more than 5 minutes, it's $200. Yes. Alright, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
See, I got 5 minutes without a stamp. I just came in here because the beach. I thought I could see the beach down there, but but yeah guys, big up the Reggae Kitchen place. Trust me, the food delicious over there. I'm telling you, food is good. Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.